Hey aviators, it's your girl AV. I'm here to show you my new office. You know, it's been COVID like all 15 years long, and I have a guest room, and that sounds very like luxe, but I'm not like rich or anything like that. Not yet, but you know, I don't have any guests. What guests? What guests are coming? It's COVID. Stay home still. Since there are no guests, I decided to turn this space into an office. I usually film in like the studio, but it's not really conducive to like the weather. Like sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot, whatever. It's really good for like actual filming. But if I want to get some work done and get some sunlight, this was like my best option. So with that, before I show you what I did, because it's levels to this, there are a couple of tutorials in here. There's the office reveal. I do have to give a shout out to our sponsors, Brother, Deco Art, and Quartet. They really helped your girl out, and I can't wait to show you. I mean, you can see a little bit of it now, but you haven't seen anything yet. Let's get into it.
As you can see, this guest room leaves a lot to be desired. In my defense, it was a rough day.
I took all of the things that were in here. I have to take out that file cabinet next, out of the room so I can let Romy is the vacuum, do its thing. And then I'm gonna slowly start to incorporate the things back into the space. I have to take that down. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with that. Same thing with this Hello Kitty mosaic I made. Fun fact, I made this in college out of broken plates, and there's resin on top. And if you want to know what I got on the project, an A-. Whack.
A few years ago, I got this file cabinet from Craigslist for something like 35 cents. After I cleaned it off, I took my Deco Art curb appeal, mixed it together to come up with this really cool custom green. I also played with the hue to make complementary shades of green, and I love how it turned out. The fact that my Brother printer fits perfectly on top, score.
Hey y'all, hey, I'm here working on the office. It's like 11:30 at night, and I'm getting real vloggy. You know, this is vlog style. You can hear some music in the background. It's old reggae because I'm old. So what I'm working on now, I have this table here. Well, it's not really a table. It used to be a bookshelf. It used to be a bookshelf. Well, hold on, let me turn on that music. Hey Google, stop. Cause we're fancy. Yeah, so it started off as a bookshelf. Then I cut it in half to make like nightstands, which I never showed you the video of. Ha ha ha. And now I'm upcycling it into like a mini bar for this office because why not? Don't judge me. This is like an AV cam moment. I was inspired. A part of me was inspired because I watched Wolf of Wall Street for like the first time ever, maybe a week or two before I started this project. When it was a bookshelf, right? When it was a bookshelf, I decided, hey, wouldn't it be cool to put like, you know, pieces of books on the shelf? Now I lifted some of it, and this part is still in pretty good condition. So if I can take this off and this wood layer situation is not messed up, guess who's not painting the top? Me. So let's see. I'm sure using this is not the proper tool, so I gotta get proper tools. I have in fact decided that this is the proper tool. I've just been kind of like carving like little, I don't know, incisions or something in it, and then using it to scrape because I really don't want to scrape this this material. Don't want to call it wood. It's like IKEA's cousin. Oh, wait a minute. You thought I was finished. Wait a minute, we getting somewhere. Oh, we're halfway there.
be darned, I scraped it off. You can see all the leftover. I had some holes on here, so I just used some putty to patch those up really quickly. And here's the top. We are back in business.
I painted the rosé cabinet, added some hardware,
And now for my next trick, I'm going to light this bad boy up. Ooh.
I know, there is a lot going on, but trust me, keep watching. This dry erase board from Quartet is so big, I didn't even need any wall art, but I did decide to add some decals with my brother Scan and Cut, just, to give the razzle.
You know how people say you have your good side and your bad side? This side of the room is definitely the Zoom side. I could not be the content creator that I am if I did not make this entire room 360 camera ready. So when I am doing my, Zoom videos or something like that, this is the side I like to use because it has these awesome, cool kid TikTok type of lights. I have this neon sign that I got from Etsy. Another AV fun fact, AV cam moment. There are 5 pairs of earrings here. I use my brother Scan and Cut to create these decals made out of, it's made out of vinyl and adhesive foil, but they're the shape of hoop earrings. Represents the 5 members of the University of Dope team. Shout out to my ladies. Also have my little candle situation and my rosé cabinet. So it's giving me all of the vibes. Oh, and if you look closely, you see my sit down, be humble pillow. Also used with my brother Scan and Cut. You all know I love myself some good old hip hop quotes. So I used my brother again, and I did this iron-on transfer, and this is Kendrick Lamar. Sit down and be humble, because if you come to my office, that's what I need you to do. And you can sit down on this ottoman. I also did the same thing on this pillow, and it says, today was a good day, because, I'm here to work and have good days. Just saying, those are the vibes.
Let's talk about some things that I purchased. I got this office chair from overstock.com. I mean, pink and gold, you can't go wrong. This laptop stand, it's sturdy, and I like to use it when I'm doodling on my iPad. A surge protector that looks like wood, sold. Google Home Mini, check. Fun fact, I made this cover for the shredder out of cardboard. Instead of buying lamps, I purchased these Google Assistant activated lights from Govee. I also purchased the light bulb.
Hey Google, turn off party time. Turn on office light.
The colors in this rug make me so happy. This ottoman is super soft, and I got them both from overstock.com.
I want to thank you all so much for watching my DIY vlog tutorial office reveal makeover. If you can put all of those words into one word, I will love you forever and give you the gold star of the day. Also, I would like to thank our lovely sponsors, Deco Art, Brother, and Quartet for helping turning this dream, because it was all a dream, get it, into a reality. Please make sure you follow them on their social networks, and please follow me if you aren't already, okay? I'll catch you next time.